It's exactly 60 years since Kenya attained independence. Fast forward 60 years later, what do we have to show for it? Let's quickly take stock using some of the numbers. Our total population has increased to 54 million, but the percentage of rural population has reduced, while that of urban has risen. Look at Nairobi's population, it's exploding. Adolescents are no longer giving birth as much as they did. Death rates has been cut in half, a good sign. Life expectancy on the other side is improving. But mortality rate has increased among men. It's the opposite for women. Birth rate is half of what we had at independence. HIV pandemic hit us hard, but we figured out ways to mitigate against it. On economy, total GDP and GDP per capita has seen huge growth. Same for imports and exports of goods and services. Let's look at inflation. It has had its ups and downs over time, driven by many factors, internal and external. We're still getting lots of donor aid though, and our debts are going up. On agriculture, total food production is growing. We've doubled land and cereals production, but no much difference when it comes to cereals yield per hectare. In those 60 years, we've seen growth in new technologies. Access to electricity has risen to over 76%. Fixed telephone lines became a thing and then dwindled. Air transport has grown in both passenger and freight capacity. In the process of our economic growth, we have increased our carbon emissions and are now figuring out ways to deal with it.